Here's a quick video of my friend Robert showing his 1986 Suburban. It's been covered up since August of 2002. He's changed the covers to protect the paint periodically. This truck has never been wrecked, still has a good paint job on it, easily can buff back out. Very, very, very little rust. This truck was Robert's daily driver for a while. The motor was a 6.2 diesel. Unfortunately, that engine blew up. It's a K20 Suburban. The fender doesn't have any rust. I don't see any rust on the doors. It is a very clean body. I want to remind you this vehicle has been sitting here for 24 years and is in excellent condition. Of course, it has got moisture inside of the vehicle, so it needs to be cleaned up. It had a Banks turbo on it. If you look at the dash, you see the aftermarket gauges. This was a loaded vehicle. If you notice the tilt steering wheel, the electric window and locks, the bucket seats with the center console, had fold down rear seats. He also has an additional bench seat that comes with the vehicle. Robert protected this vehicle very, very well. I don't see any rust under the door. No rust at the front door rocker. If you want to buy this vehicle either as a parts car or to restore, this is a great candidate for each. Next, we come to the rear passenger door. Again, I want you to look at the lack of rust. If you know these vehicles, you know it's very common to rust in the rocker area, the lower door area, and this vehicle is in great shape. Small spot to fix. Even the door cards are in great shape. Here is the small spot I was speaking of. This vehicle had the tailgate drop-down door with the roll-up window. Perfect for sitting on if you want to have a conversation at a car show, just relaxing. As we come around to the driver's side, lower rear quarter panel, just behind the driver's side tire, we have a little rust popping through, very little. And again, another door with no rust. Just some minor rust in the lower rocker. The door cards look great. And again, this was a fully loaded vehicle. Someone is going to be ecstatic over getting this Suburban.